Error 500, or 500 internal server error, is a common issue on Roblox, indicating a problem on Roblox's servers, not your device. It means the server can't fulfill a request due to an unexpected condition. This often appears as a blank screen, an error message, or failure to load games. Common causes include server overload due to high traffic, back-end bugs, network issues, or ongoing maintenance. Roblox's architecture relies heavily on cloud servers, so issues like failed database queries can trigger Error 500. While user-side factors like corrupted cache can sometimes contribute, the root cause is usually a problem with Roblox's infrastructure. Due to Roblox's platform growth, there has been increased frequency in Error 500 messages, and the most reported error is the 500 message. This accounts for 40% of all outages. While Error 500 is primarily a server-side issue, there are several user-initiated workarounds. First, refresh the page or restart the Roblox app. Check Roblox's status page at status.roblox.com to see if there's an active incident. Clearing your browser cache, disabling extensions, or trying a different network can sometimes help. Make sure your Roblox client is updated to the latest version. If the problem persists, it's best to contact Roblox support or simply wait, as most cases resolve within minutes due to Roblox's auto-scaling systems. The average downtime for an Error 500 is 10 to 30 minutes, showing that Roblox has been improving on the issue. Keep in mind that, because Roblox is still a developing platform, Error 500s are inevitable and can be solved using the methods mentioned.